children, today let's start with chapter number 10, functions and strings in Python. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the different function and string of Python. What are function? It's a block of code. जो क्या perform करता है? It's perform the specific task or set of tasks, right? When called. It helps in modulation, making it more organized and reusable. They're essential building block in Python and other program languages, right? Next is why use function. Function promote code reusability, reducing redundancy. They enhance cost, reliability, and maintainability. They allows abstraction, hiding complex detail, and what providing class interface. Now, what are the components of Python function? First is function name, defined by its name, which follows naming convention in Python. Parameters and arguments, they are placeholder in a function. Arguments क्या है? Actual value, which are passed to parameter when the function is called. Return value, return data using return statement and have no return value, right? Function body contains code that performs specific tasks and it is identified and defined scope of function. Now function declaration, it defines keywords. ये आपके keywords define करते, right? Now types of function in Python, there are mainly of two types. Built-in function, जो आपको क्या करता है? Built-in function available करवाता है to use without additional definition. Now and user defined functions, which is create custom function to perform specific tasks, right? We have creating function. First is defining function, जिसमें आपके keywords होते हैं, function name होता है और क्या होते हैं आपके optional parameters. The function contains code to execute when the function is called. यहाँ पे आपको syntax दिया हुआ है. You can see here def function name, right? Parameter. ये statement है, body of the statement and return function value. Now calling function, it is anytime from other function or the command prompt. Functions are called using their names followed by parathins. Arguments are passed within the path. ऐसे आपका प्रोग्राम लिखा होगा जिसको आप डिटरमाइन करेंगे. आउटपुट आप यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं. Now strings. We can say creating strings. Strings are the sequence of characters and are created using single and double quotes. जिसमें आपके सिंगल लाइन होती है, मल्टीपल लाइन स्ट्रिंग्स होती है, राइट? ये आपका प्रोग्राम दिया है एंड यहाँ पे आपको आउटपुट दिया है. नाउ multi-line strings. Multi-line strings allow you to work with text and spans multiple lines. They are creating using triple quotes, often used for docstring and long text, right? यहाँ पे आपको प्रोग्राम दिया है, यहाँ पे आपका आउटपुट दिया हुआ है. Now traversing a string means literating to its character one by one. Common methods for traversing strings include using loops like or while. आप दो loops यूज करते हो, like या फिर while. और इसका भी आपको प्रोग्राम कोड दिया हुआ है and you can see over here like this, hello world. Now string operators, we have concatenation, मतलब combine two or more strings using plus operator. Repetition मतलब आप repeat कर रहे हो copies of strings को, operators. Right? Now Python provides numerous built-in functions for working with string. Common string functions include len, split, join, find, replace and many. Some more program 1 आपको दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे उसका आउटपुट दिया हुआ है. Program 2 has been given. You can see that text is equals to Python is the popular programming language. Keyword इसमें Python हो गया, text print. तो आप देखेंगे कि Python यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, वो print हो जाएगा, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.